What if I told you that your email list could be hiding digital landmines? Not all email addresses are created equal. Some can actually harm your efforts. Invalid or abandoned addresses may be dimming your potential engagement rates and sender reputation. Manual list cleaning might feel overwhelming, but there's an effortless solution on the horizon. Introducing iContact's email verification powered by Kickbox, designed to keep your lists pristine and effective. This tool categorizes email addresses as deliverable, risky, undeliverable, unknown, or not scanned, simplifying maintenance significantly. Imagine knowing the quality of each email at a glance with the SendEx score, ranging from 0 to 1. Why put effort into verification? Because email bounces can impact your reputation and inbox placements for everyone. With Kickbox, upgrading is seamless. Just a click transforms your email handling process instantly. Don't wait. It's a small investment for big results. Upgrade today for cleaner, more effective email marketing.